Hello, and welcome to my room tour of the Astor Suite at the Waldorf Hilton London. This iconic hotel is located in the heart of London, right in the middle of the theatre district. We stayed here for 3 nights in 2023. As we enter the room, you'll see a half bath to the left, there are wardrobes here in the sitting area where you'll find the iron and ironing board. You'll also find the coffee maker and the wine refrigerator. There's a small couch with table, the television, and a desk. There's also a gramophone and radio in the room with a small selection of records to play. You'll see a full-length mirror here. And now we'll enter into the dressing area. You'll see a chair and table with complimentary bottles of water. And the entrance of the bathroom is flanked by 2 large wardrobes. The wardrobe on the right is for clothes. And the wardrobe on the left has room for more clothing on the right. And on the left, you'll find the tea station, as well as the safe and minibar refrigerator. The bathroom has a double vanity sink and a large soaking tub with television. There's a towel warmer on the wall, and the shower has a rainfall shower head and Temple Spa products. The bedroom has another chair as you enter, a king-size 4-poster bed, and a large flat-panel TV. Here's the view from the bedroom window. And that concludes our room tour of the Astor Suite at the Waldorf Hilton London. Thanks for watching.